Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a short review on the Axe Saddlebags by VikingBags on my 2019 Fat Bob. They have a few different attaching points. You can hook these up to, I just did my rear peg, but you can hook them up anywhere basically. They're just kind of, take your seat off, toss that strap under there. They're pretty big inside, and they also expand. I just put a water bottle on here. Use this zipper. Unzip it. You got yourself a bigger saddlebag. Opens up quite a bit inside. Give you a little comparison. So this side, a bunch of stuff in here. These are the rain protectors. Put them on in the rain to keep your stuff protected. I've been using them for a few weeks now, on and off the bike, just kind of getting a feel for them. Little trips here and there, but they work out great and fit everything I need in there. Give you a couple angles here.